All right, so I know you guys want to take your system to the next level. You've been yelling, you've been screaming, you've been texting, you've been messaging, and we've been listening. Check out what I've got here. We've got a new subwoofer install option at Volunteer Audio. This is going to be from Cicada and Hertz together, and this is going to be an easy system for you, following along with our step-by-step videos, to cut into your bag a permanent installed subwoofer. It's going to run off that front Hertz amplifier. It's going to add that bass you've been missing, and you're going to be amazed at just how cost-effective this dual sub setup is. Two 10-inch subs, 300 watts RMS going to each one of them, ported, braced, everything's going to sound great. And you're going to want to watch the upcoming video in just a couple days as we go step-by-step how to install this in your Harley and how to use our plug-and-play wiring to get it set up properly. So they're available now at volunteeraudio.com. You can pick up your Hertz/Cicada permanent sub install kit, and we'll show you every step of the way in just a couple days how to get it installed. You don't want to miss it.